Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KGALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces. We have your Wednesday morning forecast update. Terrific weather today, but we are going to have a bit of a warm-up going into your Thursday and Friday. The main focus of our forecast continues to be the potential to see some severe weather over Easter weekend, so I will get to that in just a moment here, but just a lovely day today. It will be kind of chilly early, so you may need something with long sleeves, just a light jacket maybe to get you through the early morning hours. Most of us will be in the 40s at sunrise. And again, we've hit the time of the year. It's pretty rare to have a morning in the 30s and 40s, so pretty chilly for late April. High pressure is moving to the east of us. You can see the winds going clockwise around that high pressure, so that will allow the south breeze to return today. Just a light wind, so we're really not going to feel any humidity return today, but that south wind will really start ramping up tonight and tomorrow. A breezy Thursday will send some of that humidity back in. So today, very comfortable to be outside in the upper 70s, low 80s, but we'll have that heavier humid air building in Thursday and Friday, and that's what's going to set the stage for the potential to see some severe weather over the weekend. Now, if you remember the pattern just a week and a half ago where we had the relentless severe weather, this isn't going to be like that, but it is similar in that there is a slow-moving front that will just kind of stall out north of us for a few days. This time it will be just a couple of days rather than 4 days here, but we are in the severe weather outlook Saturday and again on Easter Sunday, and there's still a ton of uncertainty as to how this is all going to play out here, but we will likely begin to see that front move in late Friday, early Saturday. So on Saturday, we could pull in quite a few showers and storms. This is the GFS, or the American model, which has really sped up the progression of this system, which means we could see some rain Sunday morning, so the Easter Bunny may have to hide the eggs inside. But again, it does show the storms kind of wrapping up by Sunday afternoon. So that would salvage much of our Easter Sunday if that's what happens here. But the European model is really showing a slower progression. It keeps a lot of the storms over us throughout the day on Sunday. So still a ton of uncertainty here. We'll probably have more clarity within the next day or two, but it's that time of the year. All severe weather hazards likely possible: wind, hail, and even a few tornadoes here. Rain doesn't look to be too significant, but we are showing some areas here north of I-30 that could pick up another 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. That would likely bring some rises again on some of the lakes and rivers, so I'll have to watch that closely, especially since we do have some more rain in the forecast next week. I do think the rain will be on and off for much of next week as well. Highs pretty much locked into the 80s with overnight lows in the 60s for the next week.